Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Naturally Nappy, and if you're new here, what's up? It's Naturally Nappy, of course. And if you're old here, hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for being an extreme supporter of my channel, and I am trying my best to put out the best content as possible, so just bear with me, right? Okay, so this video is about these wonderful twists that I did to my hair. It took me 2 days. So I was leaving these in here. So the end of this video will be about me showing some hairstyles that I've done with them, and it's really quick, simple, and easy, and it makes the process of having them a lot easier, and you know, you can just be cute and fun with it. So let's get right into that. And before we go any further, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can to your friends, and show them, like, you know, some of this little cute stuff that I'm out here doing. Like, oh girl, I see you with the twists. Let me show you some style that you can do with it, and keep it cute, keep it classy. So stay tuned. So the way I twisted them, they are not all even. So the hairstyle that I will be showing you will be to keep them up. But, you know, if you do them correctly, or if you have them done correctly at a shop, you can always wear them down. So I'll try to throw in some little ones like that, but do not use this hair as an example because I didn't do it properly. But I just wanted something, a protective style to, you know, keep cute. It's getting cold, although the weather is back and forth. It's hot, it's cold, you know, rainy, it's snowing, whatever. So it was perfect for me to, you know, hurry up, get and go, to head to class, and not having to manipulate my hair. So I will show you guys the little hairstyles that are cute. So the first one, of course, is already in it. I had to wash them, so they kind of like stuck like this a little bit, but still cute or whatever. You know, wear it down to the side, be real cute. That's one. And then So yes, there are so many styles that you can do with these twists. I love them because they are super convenient, and I did not have to do my hair, and I didn't think they would last as long, but they are hanging in there. They do not look bad. They're a little frizzy at the roots. Had to wash them because I had put a lot of oil in my hair on accident. But overall, this is a easy hairstyle that I would suggest anyone to have for the winter time to keep your hair protected. And you can always moisturize them, you can wash them, you can wear them down, you can wear them up. They become elegant as well, depending on the way you style them. So you just let me know down in the comments some of the styles that you have tried with these twists. They are considered Marley Twist, but I don't think they are. But please let me know down in the comments if you like this video, if you like this content, and if you would like to see more. So please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Share on Facebook, Instagram. Catch me out on my other social medias. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.